Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain the method of how you can create a size chart in Dawn theme. So in my previous video, I have already explained the four steps on how you can create the size chart in Horizon theme. The procedure is similar, only the fourth step would be different. So in this tutorial, I will quickly explain the three steps. If you want the complete breakdown of those steps, please watch my previous video on how to create the size chart in horizontal theme, and I will also leave the link of that video in the description. But for this video, my focus would be on the fourth step, but the three steps I will discuss shortly. So first step is you have to create two size charts because we want to display different size charts for each product. This is for the approach if you want to display different size charts, but if you want to display a single size chart for all products, you just have to create the page and then you can assign it in the product in the theme customization without using meta fields. But I think it is better that you create the meta fields. So the first step is you create the pages for the size charts, and I have already provided the HTML code in the previous video. I will also provide the code in this video as well. You just have to copy paste my code for size chart, and then you can just replace the values, and in this way the both pages will be created. This is the code. You just have to click on show HTML and insert the code here. Once these two pages are clear, and make sure they are visible, they are not hidden. Okay, it is very important. The second step you have to do, as I have explained in my previous video, you have to create the meta field, which is named as the size chart. You have to click on meta fields and meta objects in the settings, and then you have to click on products. From products you have to create a size chart meta field, and the type would be sorry, I think I haven't created, so let me do the step again. So you will have to click on add definition, and so you have to click on add definition and add the size chart. Okay, and then you have to select the type, which is named as page. Okay, and then save. So click on save. So meta field is created. Now the process is similar. We have selected two products in the previous video, so we will select those two products just to make sure that the things are actually working fine. So the step is similar. For example, you select this product and you have to assign the meta field. I will assign the size chart for men in this product. So I will go down and I will see if the size chart meta field is appearing here. So I will select the page size chart men, click on save. Now I will go to the second product. Okay, and I will go to the second product and I will add the size chart there for the size chart woman. Okay, so this was the product. This was the product. So don't worry, this is not a woman product. For just for the testing, we are doing this thing. So you are intelligent, you know how to use it successfully. This is just a test demo. So you have to select the page. So I will assign the size chart woman to this page. Okay, to this product. Okay. So now comes the fourth step, the most important step. This is the updated version of the Dawn theme, and I will show you how you can create the size chart, pop-up size chart without using any complex code or without using any app. Okay, so this is the most important step, and you have to pay attention to it because this is where your all problems would be resolved. And if you still feel any problem, please let me know and we will work on it. So first we will select the product in which we have assigned the meta field size chart and the page uh, size chart men. Okay, I will select the product. For example, I don't know why the product is not appearing. So let us search the product. So if you don't find the product, please make sure to search it. So yeah, this is the product, and I will show you the. As you can see, I am in the product in which I have assigned the size chart for men. And now I will click on product information, and under the product information, I will, for example, I want to add a size chart here. Below the variant picker, if you hover over it, you will see the plus icon. Please click on this plus icon and you will see the pop-up. Okay. Now you have to click on pop-up, and the pop-up text would be size chart. Okay, and then you have to select the dynamic source of the page. Okay, dynamic source, please pay attention. Dynamic source and size chart. Now the size chart will be appeared. Okay, now this the pen chart has been appeared. Now I want to show the woman, I want to verify if the woman size chart is appearing for the other product. So I will search for that product. I want to hide my face. Okay, so yeah, this was the product. And let's open this product and see if it is displaying the different size chart or not. If it is displaying the different size chart, it means that our method is successful. The meta filter also working fine. So one thing you notice that pop-up is working really fine. Some people complain that pop-ups create issues sometimes, but this, as you can see, this is the updated version of Dawn thing. It is creating no issue at all. And as you can see, separate size chart woman. The reason is we have assigned the page size chart woman to this product through metafield. And again, if you're not familiar with metafields, please watch my tutorial on metafields and meta object. You will find the clear idea. So now the tutorial is complete. I will again go back to the previous product to make sure that it is really working fine. So there's no cache issue. Just to show you that I'm actually we are successful in creating the size chart, and it is displaying the different size chart for both the products, and it is working through meta fields, and the pop-up is also working fine. Okay, as you can see, different size chart, so it is fine. In product information, you file the pop-up, and you can just assign the dynamic source, the meta object, the meta field, and it will display the different one. If you don't want to use the meta fields, you want to display single size chart for all products, you don't have to do, you can just select the page from here, and then it will be done. I hope the things are clear. Please let me know if there is an issue, and if you want to see how the size chart in horizon theme works, please watch my previous video. I will leave the link to the description, and I will leave the link of that video in the description of this video. Till then, bye bye, and please let me know in case of an issue. Thank you very much.